The right way, not like a retard. That's still like a retard. Now, you have to speak and say where we're at.
Hello, I am Robin Leach. And I'm coming from you to Maui, Hawaii. From the land of Kamana Wanapiki. Later on tonight, I will see this flip camera on Kamana Wanalea on the island of Peralta. Well, formerly known as Peralta, now known as Bobber Land.
Bobrick what?
Bobber Land.
Bobrick Glen. I like that.
So, I am Brandon Bobber, coming from you, from Kamana Wanapiki, Kamana Wanalea. And come on, I'm gonna get you. Good times.